Let's make some carrot cake. Hi, hi, hi. Hello. How are you today? It's about to go down. Ta-da! Hi, hi, hi. You're welcome once again to today's episode on Ashabi's Academy. We're talking about I'm showing you how to make carrot cake today. So, what ingredients do you need? You need oil, carrot, eggs, nuts, raisins, baking powder and baking soda, cinnamon powder, vanilla flavor, flour, and of course sugar, combination of white and brown sugar. The first thing you need to do is to whisk your egg and sugar. You crack your egg and you pour your measured sugar into your mixing bowl. Once that is done, fix your bowl to your mixer. Fix your attachment knob, which I'll be using the whisk. Cover your mixer, then whisk it up. So while I was waiting for the my sugar and egg to whisk, I decided to play around a bit. Then I added all my dry ingredients together: the nutmeg, the baking powder, the baking soda, my flour. I added them together. While the mixture is almost ready, do not forget to like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and kindly follow the social media handles on your screen. Let's get back to making our cake. So our mixture is ready. The next thing I'm going to add is my dry ingredients. So I like to start with my dry ingredients, and I also like to end with my dry ingredients. So what I usually do is I add a little bit of it, little bit of oil, a little bit of carrots, and so on and so forth. That will be done till the end of the mixture. By that time, you are going to be adding your dry ingredients. Yes, that's going to be the last thing that is going to be added to this mixture before it's being transferred to the pan. So while watching this video, if you have any question, comment, kindly drop it in the box below. I try my possible best to give you answers on the one that I have knowledge on. I hope you're enjoying what you're watching. If yes, kindly help me hit that like button, and do not forget to subscribe, and if no, let me know the reason why in the comment section. Let's listen to some music.
Stay my lane. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, no one hear what they want telling me. Could deny my fantasy. Don't want to check if my tap in no wrong.
But it dey rush very well. If you much. I'm not a musician, but our mixture is ready. I'm now transferring into the baking pan. After that, I'm taking it to the oven to bake for a few minutes. The cake is ready. Voila, it's time to turn and enjoy the moist, sweet carrot cake. Thank you for watching. See you in next episode. Bye.